Hi there and welcome to this video tutorial. Today, by the end of this video, you will have the knowledge to create QR codes for your websites or any content. So we will start from the basics and then move on to more advanced formatting. But before moving forward, let's understand what are QR codes and why do we use them. QR codes are two-dimensional barcodes that store data in a matrix of black squares and a white background. So why do we use them? We use them for quick and efficient data sharing, and as well as they can encode various types of information such as website links, contact details or product information, accessible instantly with a simple scan. So here is the very simple Python code. First you have to type pip install QR code in the terminal and then press enter. It's basically a package manager. Now come to the code. So we'll start by importing a Python library called QR code and giving it a pet name as QR. This library actually helps us to create QR codes. Next we create a variable named img to hold our QR code, and we are gonna create a QR code of my YouTube channel. So this is the link of my YouTube channel, and the next thing which we are doing is, after creating the QR code, we save it as an image with a name and with a format. We have to declare a format also, and here it is .png. So in simple terms, this code uses the QR code library to generate a QR code that represents a YouTube channel's URL, and then it saves a code as an image within a same folder where your Python file is stored with a specific name. Here the name is Sunshine Sonnet's YouTube channel QR code. You can give any name to it. When you scan this QR code with a QR code reader, it will take you to my YouTube channel. Now let's click on run, and after running this program, just close the window. So here is our code image is generated. Now we are going to open this. Let's click on the image. So here is our black and white, very simple QR code, and now we are going to create the formatted one. Now let's move forward. We are going to create a formatted QR code. So first we import the QR code library for creating QR codes and the image module from PIL Pillow library, which help us to manipulate images. We created a variable called QR to hold our QR code. We specify various parameters for this QR code, and we will understand this one by one. So the very first is version equals to 1. What does it mean? It means when you specify version equals to 1 in the code, you are telling the QR code generator to create a QR code with smallest version 21 by 21, which is suitable for small amount of data. If you had chosen a higher version, it would result in a larger QR code that can hold more information. The choice of version basically depends on the amount of data you want to encode and the available space for the QR code. Now the next is error correction equals to QR code dot constants dot error correction h. Error correction is a feature that allows the QR code to remain functional even if it is partially damaged. Now the next thing is box size equals to 10. We are defining the size. Basically the QR code is basically made of small squares, typically black or white, in a two-dimensional pattern. Each of these squares is called a module. So the box size parameter allows us to specify how large each of these modules should be. So in our case, box size is 10. By specifying this, we can control the physical size of the QR code when it's generated as an image. Now the next thing is border equals to 4, which means the border size around the QR code will be 4. We use the QR.add data, and here's the link of my YouTube channel. It's basically the method to add the data we want to encode in the QR code. So in this case, it's a URL of my YouTube channel. Then we use QR.make fit equals to true. In our code generation, you can specify the size of the QR code or let the generator determine the size automatically based on the amount of data to be encoded. So when you set fit equals to true, it tells the QR code generator to automatically adjust the size of the QR code to fit the data you have added using the add data method. Next, we can generate the image of the QR code using the QR.makeImage method. We can also specify the color for the QR code squares. In this case, it's sea green and the back color is white. And finally, we save the image as Sunshine Sonnets formatted QR code .png. Don't forget to mention the format. Now run this, and after running this, just close the window. So here is the formatted image is loaded, and we are going to open it. So here's the sea green and white QR code, the formatted one. QR code is here. So congratulations, you have learned to create a simple and formatted QR code with high error correction, a specific box size and a color design.